body-centered cubic structure. These are the outlines. BCC structure, atomic contribution in unit cell, number of atoms in unit cell, coordination number, lattice constant, atomic packing factor. Discussing structure. BCC unit cell has atoms located at 8 corners and a single atom at the center. Atomic contribution in BCC unit cell. Corner atoms. Each atom at 8 corners contribute 1 by 8 part. Central atom. Central atom is inside the cube, so its contribution is 1. Number of atoms in BCC unit cell. The number of atoms can be calculated by this formula. N is equals to 8 corners. Since there are 8 corners and every atom is contributing 1 by 8 part, therefore it can be written in this form. Simplifying, we get this, and N is equals to 2. This shows that there are 2 atoms per unit cell of BCC structure. Coordination number. It is the number of neighbor atoms touching any given atom. Coordination number of BCC structure is 8 because central atom touches 8 atoms of the corners, as shown. Calculating lattice constant. Consider a BCC unit cell of sides A and atoms of radii r. Now solving this orange triangle for finding the value of x, we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem, which is x square is equals to a square plus a square. Simplifying, we get this, or x is equals to under root 2a. This is the value of x. Now we are going to solve the red triangle. Again we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, y square is equals to x square plus a square. Here putting the value of x from above. By simplifying, we get this. Further simplifying, we get the value of y. Y is equals to under root 3 multiplied by a. Here this y is equals to 4 times r, because this is the diagonal line which is touching 3 atoms, 1 central and 2 corner atoms. So by rearranging, we get r is equals to this and value of a, which is lattice constant, equals to this. Calculating atomic packing factor. It is the ratio of volume occupied by atoms in a unit cell to the volume of unit cell. This is its mathematical form. Since volume occupied by atoms can be calculated by the number of atoms multiplied by volume of an atom. Since there are 2 atoms in BCC unit cell, so we have put 2, and atoms are identical to sphere, therefore volume of sphere is entered. And the volume of the unit cell, since it is cubical, therefore its volume is a cube. Now simplifying, putting the value of r, which was previously calculated, we get this. Since under root 3 cube is equals to 3 under the root 3, so we have put its value. Further simplification, we are left with under root 3 by 8 multiplied by pi, and putting its value we get 0.68. This is the atomic packing factor of BCC unit cell. In percentage, it can be calculated by multiplying 100% with this value, and we get 68%. Thanking you.